Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a degree symbol like 90 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree like that. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the degree symbol on your WPS spreadsheet, I just going to show like 90 degree, 95 degree, 85 degree like that. So you have a two options here. For example, I just going to type 100 degree. So after typing the 100, you just need to click on the insert option and just click again here and click on the equation. So here you can have this option. For example, here type like 100, and then I just need to have the degree symbol. Click on this and you have this symbol option here, out of symbols option, and here you can find the 100 degree symbol like this. The second way I just talking about is you just need to press Windows key plus dot symbol. Just hold the Windows key and press the dot symbol on your keyboard. So it's open the symbol dialog box, and here you just need to press the symbol option first and just click on the first option, and here just scroll down and you can find the degree symbol. Here the religious degree symbol, click on this, and this is how you just insert degree symbol. This is how you just type 45 degree, 55 degree, 68 degree like that on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped. Do not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.